And here's I'll show you how to check your most listened to artist in Spotify. In Spotify, here is no option to check your most listened to artist. So to check it, we have to open a browser. So go to a browser and in your browser search for search for stats for Spotify and open this website statsforspotify.com. And now if you're first time in this website, you have to sign in with your Spotify account. Now here, all you have to need to see your most listened to artist, just tap on top artist. And here you will find your top artist in last 4 weeks. You can select last 6 months and last 12 months. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.